Hello there, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some new issues which light out the transfer window of Manchester United. That is, the players who are going to leave Man United and the players who we need to get rid of in order to enhance and enrich the squad of Manchester United. Former Manchester United defender Paul Parker has called for Ralf Rangnick to shift. It has been said, called for him to shift all the deadwood outside Manchester United. So what does this mean? Let me tell you, let me give you a small background for those who are new. So basically, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, he did a very bad performance as a coach, failed miserably, and he basically lost a lot of matches. He lost to, Manchester City, Liverpool, even Leicester, Everton. He kept on losing, and then 4-1 to Watford. United could be set for a busy month ahead, as the new year approaches, with Rangnick looking to make additions to his squad after arriving as interim manager. The German has made a promising start at Old Trafford, having won his first game against Crystal Palace before leading a much younger side to a 1-1 draw against Young Boys, as we saw in the game versus Young Boys versus Manchester United, and the game between Norwich versus Manchester United as well. That he has made a fresh start, a good start. The team is winning, they're showing strong belief, and in this situation the winning is the most important thing. That's what I believe. I don't think anything else matters right now. Winning is what matters, winning is what's important. To hell with everything else. The most important thing right now is for us is to win matches. That's it. For us nothing else matters. Nothing else is that important right now for us. I think winning is the most important thing. Despite an encouraging show against Palace and Arsenal, I think Ralf Rangnick has much scope, room for improvement, which is we do need to sell, we do need to basically buy new players, but there are players who need to leave our camp as well. It is believed that Rangnick not only needs to add some new faces, but he also needs to remove some from the squad that is already here. It all starts now. We will see what happens next. As it has been said, Rangnick doesn't change from his system, but he has got the personnel to play the way. I don't think he has that. He hasn't got the personnel there that will make sure that Manchester United qualify for the Champions League. So in order for Manchester United to qualify for the Champions League, we need to have those kind of personnel. We need to have those kind of players. It's very, very important. I think we need some young players in January, but I also think we need to basically transfer some players. We need to change them. We need to get rid of our midfield crisis, and we need to make some immediate transfers where some players have to leave. I know basically that you like these players. I know you have preferences, and I know that there are players who are really dear to you who once played really well. But let's admit it, not everybody is Cristiano Ronaldo. That they're gonna play like this at even at the end of their career. The middle of the midfield is still a problem. As much as you can change the style, if you make it too attacking, the midfield is still going to be an issue. So in that case, I think he's looking to bring in some good fullbacks. At the right back, Diego Dalot could be a good addition. He's capable and better in the final third than Aaron Wan-Bissaka, and able to get more crosses across the box. Still believe he's going to want to improve the position, because with players like Sancho, Ronaldo, Fred, Van der Beek, and others, Diego Dalot. But you still need basically Fred. You still need a good back, okay? And we can also see this in different news outlets. The Daily Sun, The Independent, Manchester Evening, all the reputed news sites, the United Stand. They are all saying that we need to change. We need the old dead wood to leave United. And we need Mason Greenwood over Marcus Rashford, who is not in form. Marcus Rashford has completely lost his form. I don't know why that has happened. I don't know why that's currently going on. But Rashford was an excellent striker, but right now he's completely out of form. Is it injury? Is it, I don't know, is it a player's block? What is it? Greenwood put forward his, this case with a superb finish, over at the match against Young Boys. I don't, if you remember, in the match versus Young Boys, Greenwood had an absolute fantastic volley kick. The kind of volley kick he did, that was absolutely marvelous. Marvelous. The volley kick was absolutely marvelous. If Ranieri wants to play his system, he can't continue to pick Marcus Rashford either. I think he has to look at Mason Greenwood. He has to look at, Jadon Sancho. Ronaldo is Ronaldo. I mean, there's nothing to say about him. His form has been consistent. Even in his bad performances, he ends up scoring in, a last minute goal. So it's not, it's useless comparing him to other players because he is above most of them. And he performs. Or people who say Ronaldo does not perform, just look at the statistics. He scored almost in every match, and against Greenwich he's also scored yesterday. Even if it's a penalty, how many of the people can take a penalty under pressure? You see, you have a look. Not many, trust me. There are very few players who can take a penalty under pressure. You put Bruno Fernandes in the penalty spot, and he's going to end up missing it in pressure. He has missed a lot of penalties under pressure, So even taking that takes guts. Okay, a goal is a goal and a win is a win. And players like, Paul Pogba, Juan Mata, Phil Johnson. I mean, the players who aren't performing, they need to go. So the possible players that might be leaving are, Juan Mata might be leaving, Phil Jones, then, Paul Pogba, there's a very strong possibility. And Martial is going to be leaving. I'm going to make a full video on that, But Anthony Martial, who was one of the, he was one of the rising strikers in Manchester United, will be leaving our club very soon. He has declined the extension contract and said, he wants to leave. So that's that, and I do respect his decision, but I think he's making a mistake because we have a new manager, we have a new club, we are rebuilding, we're undergoing a transformation. You go to another club, how do you know how the manager over there is going to be? Maybe he's going to be different, maybe he's going to be, maybe he's not going to be that understanding. Maybe he's not going to give you, less game time, maybe he won't have less of a budget. There can be numerous hundreds of issues, regarding that. In another club, when you go to another club, there might be numerous issues regarding that. So, how do you know, that won't happen? So that might happen very easily. How do you know that? So taking all these things into account, what I might say is that I definitely think that Rashford's decision to leave Manchester United is, quite wrong, and I'm going to make a full video on that very soon. So right now, this is the topic, that in the January transfer window, a lot of players might be leaving United who have been nothing but a burden. So tell me how you've enjoyed the news, stick with us, and until then, take care.